Welcome to Luca and Miguel. Enjoy the video.
Open the Shopify admin and sign in with your store credentials. Navigate to Online Store, then Themes to view your active themes. Duplicate your theme now to create a backup copy in case you need to revert. Check your theme version to confirm it supports sections and blocks, usually Online Store 2.0 or later. If your theme lacks sections, choose a compatible theme or update the current theme when possible. Having a backup prevents accidental data loss while editing sections. Go to Online Store, then Themes, and click Customize to open the theme editor. Inside the editor, navigate the left sidebar where sections for each template are listed. Click Add Section to see available section types like Hero, Gallery, or Text with Image. Select the section type you want and click Add to insert it into the template. Configure the new section by adjusting images, text, and layout settings in the right panel. Click Save at the top right to apply your changes to the live preview. If you need a custom section, open Customize and click Edit Code to access theme files. In the code editor, open the Sections folder and click Add a new section to create a file. Name the file clearly and include the liquid extension so Shopify recognizes it. Build the section structure with HTML and liquid markup and include a JSON schema block for settings and blocks. Save the new section file, return to the theme editor, and add your custom section from the Add Section list.
Thanks for watching and please subscribe. It's the best investment you'll ever make.